The success of a construction project begins with thorough preparation before the elements or modules arrive at the construction site. A well-organized site plan and monitoring of site conditions are key to ensuring smooth progress, safety, and on-time project completion. Preparation involves both technical and logistical aspects, including developing a site plan, ensuring access, and verifying the availability of necessary resources. A carefully planned construction site is a key factor in achieving high-quality and efficient construction outcomes. This chapter explores how to properly prepare the construction site and outlines the steps needed before erecting building elements or modules to ensure safety, efficiency, and an excellent final result. Before erecting an element or modular house, it is crucial to thoroughly inspect the construction site conditions. The site must be organized to ensure smooth workflow and workplace safety. The construction site layout, or site plan, determines how the site is arranged for the duration of the project. Logically divided work zones simplify task coordination and enable more efficient use of resources. The site plan must ensure access for trucks, suitable placement for cranes, and parking spaces for the construction team. These requirements are checked in collaboration with service providers. The site must also have access to electricity and water. Additionally, site offices and secure storage containers with alarm systems are necessary to ensure smooth operations and safety. Storage areas for materials, machinery, and equipment are managed using the just-in-time principle, reducing unnecessary transport on site and ensuring that required materials are available promptly and on time. The preparation of the site plan adheres to legal requirements to ensure safety. It includes designated zones for safe movement, marked with clear signs and indicators. It is often necessary to obtain permission from the local government to access the plot. Managing street use permits involves coordinating the use of public spaces, roads, and streets during construction while ensuring safety. Since construction activities can disrupt traffic, minimizing these disruptions and preventing accidents is essential. Local authorities may require traffic management plans and the installation of new traffic signs to maintain safety around the site. Safety and work instructions are easily accessible at the site entrance, in staff rooms and offices, and are distributed to workers upon starting their duties. Electrical safety is very important and also requires separate planning. Electrical wiring and general lighting must be ready for safe use. Since a significant part of construction work also takes place after dark, especially in the Nordic countries, having a proper lighting system is very important. Lightning protection and other safety features are also taken into account to ensure a safe working environment. The site plan also specifies the locations of waste containers. Waste management is conducted systematically and continuously, utilizing both standard and hazardous waste recycling stations. This approach helps reduce the volume of generated waste. To ensure safety, the site is equipped with primary fire extinguishing equipment, first aid stations, and storage areas for flammable substances and gases. Evacuation routes are clearly marked, and gathering points for evacuation management are designated. Construction site planning is an ongoing and dynamic process, adjusted regularly in response to the progress of the construction and the addition of equipment, materials, and systems. This adaptive planning helps maintain a safe and efficiently functioning site and supports the successful completion of the entire project and its desired outcomes. The preparation of a construction site begins early. All necessary tasks must be completed before the arrival of building elements or modules. First, groundwork is carried out to establish a strong and stable base for the structure, providing a solid foundation for the building. Simultaneously, essential utilities, such as water, sewage, and electrical networks, are installed. These are laid before pouring the foundation to ensure an uninterrupted workflow later. Next, the foundation is constructed, serving as the base upon which the building is erected. The foundation must be level and precise, as it significantly impacts the structure's stability and safety. Before the arrival of elements or modules, the foundation is thoroughly inspected to ensure compliance with specified tolerances. The tolerances given to the foundation dimensions determine the permissible deviations during the foundation construction process. For example, in the case of multi-story modular houses, the variation in the height of the support line under the modules must not be greater than 5 millimeters. It is important to note that these tolerances can vary by country and company. In some countries, stricter standards are applied, and companies often adopt more stringent internal guidelines. The accuracy and compliance of foundation work must be verified before assembling building components. This responsibility typically lies with the project manager. If the foundation measurements exceed permissible tolerances, corrective measures must be taken before the building is erected. A precisely constructed foundation avoids possible later problems during the erection of the building and is the basis for a high-quality final result.